Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video, I am going to be telling you about the update of my last video where I got swatted. And I didn't really get swatted. That was just clickbait. Look guys, I'm so sorry guys. I wasn't really getting swatted. That was just clickbait. Because I've clickbaited you guys before. And I've done it again, guys. Look, I'm so sorry about that. And I know there's no need for me to apologize. It's just a YouTube video, guys. And all of you guys, and all of you probably already know that's just a YouTube video. So I didn't really get swatted. But I want to tell you the update about that because these people. Well, I did get swatted. It was just a skit, and that skit when I got swatted. In the skit, I got swatted for a stupid reason in the skit for no reason because they had the wrong guy. I got swatted because they had the wrong guy. I don't know why. But if you guys know, and if you guys know that they had the wrong guy, then tell me in the comments down below. Hey, get on the ground. Alright guys, so this video is going to be a long video. And today I made a video where I said my name is Jeff, and because I worked with and I definitely have to let my and only the best YouTuber should wear these, and only the best YouTuber should, which is me. I'm the best. So it's necessary. I'm wanting me. I wish that me and Mexico could work on a video together. You know what? Maybe I should talk to Mexico and me and him working together on a video because we are both the best YouTubers. So we should work together on this video. I watch Mexico, and in some of my videos I play Whack Your Boss. And it was funny like it was in Mexico's video on Whack Your Boss. Because Mexico played that game too in his video. I wish I could show you a clip of it, but I don't have any clips from his video. But there is another YouTuber that I'm friends with, and that YouTuber is M3705 Plays, and he is a really good YouTuber too. He's my friend on YouTube. He's my YouTuber friend. And if you guys can, then go ahead and check him out. So I'll tell you his name again because like I said, so I'll tell you his name again. M3705 Plays. So if you want, you can go ahead and check out his channel because I would really appreciate it if you went ahead and checked out his YouTube channel. So why don't you go ahead and do that right? So after this video, why don't you go ahead and do that? And I don't really know how to leave the link in the description below. But anyways, yeah. And I know that and I do have some news for you guys. I'm just gonna tell you that there's right here. And I know that I've been uploading quite a lot on my YouTube channel today. It gets really annoying whenever I don't. Okay. Hold on, guys. That's why I need to upgrade this recorder so that I can put more time. I don't know if I'm gonna, because I need to, because I need more time on my videos. So in order for me, I'm gonna have to upgrade. I don't have much more to say. Oh, I got some news. Okay. Well, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video right here.